Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the Leetcode problem number 509, Fibonacci number. It is a easy level problem. The Fibonacci numbers, commonly denoted Fn, form a sequence called a Fibonacci sequence, such that each number is the sum of two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1, that is. We have to given f0 is equal to 0. When our n is 0, then our output is 0. When our n is 1, so output is 1. When our n is greater than 1, so we need to find the output through this relation. Fn equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. Let's see the word for the question telling here. We have Here we have to given two starting value of sequence. We have to given 0 and 1. When our n when our n is 0, so we get the 0. When our n is 1, so we get the 1. And when our n greater than 1, so find the value through this relation. Okay, when our n is 2, when our n is 2, so let's find. Just replace the n with 2 in upper relation. F1 plus f2 minus 2 f0. Here we have to given f1 value and f0 value. F0 is equal to 0 and f1 is equal to 1. So we just put it. F1 is equal to 1, f0 0. 1 plus 0 1. So we get a 1. Here we see the relation. It's do nothing. It's just sum the previous two terms. Okay. Means here we see for 2 just sum the previous two term, means 0 and 1. Here for n is equal to 2, to finding this value we have to require this one previous and this one next previous. Okay, we have to require this for this one. Okay, similarly we have to find when our n is 3, so we require previous this one and next previous this one. So some adding both of these, so we get the 2. Similarly we have to find when our n is 4, sum both of these. This one is previous and this one is the next previous. Sum both of these, 2 1 3. Now we generate a sequence clearly. We have to given initially 0 and 1. Just finding the next value. Sum both of these. Okay. 0 plus 1 1. Similarly we find 2 next one. Sum of both of these. 1 plus 1 2. Similarly we next 2 plus 1 3. Similarly 3 2 plus 5. Similarly go on. Okay. We generating a series sequence here. Let's see how to approach the code. We have to given this one. Let's suppose we have to find this one. For finding this one, we have to require this previous. Let's suppose this is previous one, and this one is previous two, and this one is current. For finding this current, we have to require previous one and previous two. Okay, summing both of these, just we get a current previous one plus previous two. After we finding the current, just we move the pointer. Means our previous one pointer move here and our previous two pointer move here and current pointer move to next. Okay, just move. Means for n is equal to 2, now currently our n is equal to this one is current and this one is a previous one and this one is a previous two. For n is equal to 2, then how we get n is equal to 2 to sum the previous of 1 and previous of 2. Okay, let's write the code. Let's see here. After finding the current value, we just move the pointer. Means our previous two pointer go to previous one and previous one pointer go to current pointer. Okay, now here we should be return previous one pointer, not current pointer. Why? Just see, return previous one pointer. Why previous pointer? Previous one pointer. Just see 4012. For finding n is equal to 2th term, our current this one, previous one this one, and this one is previous two. After finding this current, we just move the pointer, means this current is previous one. With previous one pointer move on here. So we have to return previous one pointer, not current pointer. Okay, means our this pointer, previous one pointer. We have to return previous one pointer. Okay, now let's see the code. One more thing. Let's see. Let's we draw the term. This is 0th term. This is a 1th term. This is a 2th term. This is a 3rd term, and similar. For 0th term, we have to return, we get a value 0. For 1th term, we get a value 1. For 2th term, we get a value 1. Means for 0, we get a same value. For 1, we get a same value. Means if n less than 2, n less than 2 means here we directly return n same as n. Okay, this is our base condition. Okay, now let's see the code. Integer type variable, previous one, previous two, and current. Here we apply the base condition. If n less than equal to 1, we directly return the n. Here we initialize the previous 2 is equal to 0 and previous 1 is equal to 1. Here we iterate the loop from I is equal to 2 because we have to given I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 condition. And we are starting from I is equal to 2, and we just move the pointer we have to shown before this 3 line. Why we return the previous one? We have to discuss before. So we directly return previous one, and now we just check the code.